has been there for 10,000 years. It just broke off into the ocean. Look at the rocks falling off that have blown in there over time. It's gonna roll. Parts that never floating out from the bottom. Pull back on this ledge. Oh my God! Oh geez! Oh my word! The mountain is shaking. I know. Oh my! Look at the blue one coming up from off that is pushing that up in the back. Oh, we have just witnessed an incredible thing. An iceberg breaking off from the glacier. It's moving along here on the ledge. Just back south of the mountain that we're standing on. It's just absolutely shaking and vibrating. That ice that we're looking at in the back has never seen sunlight in thousands of years. Just exposed. Maybe 5, 10, 15, 20,000 years. This glacier. I'll show you in the back. It's coming down the mountain.
Look at it rise. Right there. Look at it rise up.
It's exploding. Yeah, it's rolling. The big piece. The big piece is rolling again. Oh Jesus! Oh my God! You just can't believe this. If you were here, that is the pot that has been underneath. It's been working its way down the mountain. Yeah, it's part of the lava from the volcano when it first went down. It's still rolling. There's more pieces